Do you know how to make a graph and then use that graph to solve different problems? Let's take a look at an example. Karen loves corn. In 5 minutes, she can peel 3 ears of corn. Can you use this information and a graph to show how many ears of corn she could peel in, say, 10 minutes? Or 15 minutes? Or how long it would take her to peel maybe 7 ears of corn? Let's take a look at using a graph to answer these questions and others. Now the first thing we're going to do is make our graph. Here's our graph. The vertical axis is going to represent the ears of corn. We can put number of ears. And the horizontal axis is going to represent our time in minutes. Now, we know that it takes her 5 minutes to peel 3 ears of corn. So here's our 3 ears, and we can go across to the 5. Here's our first graph, and this shows the rate that she's able to peel the corn. Now we're going to draw a line from 0 through this point of intersection, and that's going to show us the rate of ears and time. Now let's look at how to use this graph. So let's say we wanted to figure out how long it would take for her to peel 12 ears of corn. Let's go up to 12, which is right here, and we're going to follow 12 all the way across our graph to where it intersects with our line, which shows our rate. Then we go down, and you can see that for her to peel 12 ears of corn would take 20 minutes. How about 6 ears of corn? Let's go to 6, and we go right across, and we go down. That would take 10 minutes. How many ears of corn in 15 minutes? Let's go from the minutes this time up to where it intersects, and then we're going to go all the way across, and that would be 9 ears of corn. What about at 7 minutes? 7 minutes is here. Let's go right across to 4 ears of corn. So you can see by working in this way that we can figure out different values. Now at 18 minutes, let's go all the way up here to the line. 18 minutes, straighten that out a little bit. You can see that we would be at just about 11 ears of corn. It's a little bit under the 11, so it wouldn't quite be 11 ears of corn, but it would be very, very close. This is a way that we can make a graph and use this graph to solve problems or answer questions. Let's do one more. Let's look at 12 minutes. So if we go 12 minutes, we go up, and we go across, and you will see that in 12 minutes, Karen would peel 7 ears of corn. Here's our problem, our graph, our solutions, and our work is now complete.